and then the actual wings that you see here. And this is something different that you don't see every day, and this will allow me to actually just prop my phone up and... Hey guys, welcome to another video. In this video we're going to be taking a look at a pretty darn cool iPhone6 4.7 inch case. This is from Destek, Design and Technology, and the name of the case is simply Wing. And again, this is for the iPhone 6, not the Plus. This is for outdoors and sturdy protective case designed by Destek of California. You can flip it over on the back and you can see some of its features. It's got basically built-in kickstands, which are their wings, so you can basically tilt this, prop it up about any different way you want to, landscape, portrait, whatever suits your fancy. So let's go ahead, and you can see you pop it open, and it's got a nice little packaging here. You can see the case here itself. If you want, you can take this off and feel it. I don't know if you can find these in stores, but this is a nice little option. You can actually feel what the surface looks like with these cases. This is a pretty cool design packaging. I'm really impressed with that. So let's go ahead and just pop this open and take a look at this case and see what all you get in the box. Alright, that looks like everything that we get, so let's go ahead and just plop this out. It's in this packaging very, very nicely. Alright, so as you can see, it's very protective, somewhat kind of like an OtterBox, because you've got two parts, and then this is actually a covered screen here that would cover your screen, and then the actual wings that you see here that would pop out. So let's go ahead. I'm going to pause this video. I'm going to tear this apart. We're going to install our iPhone 6 in it, and we're going to see how this looks and how it functions and how it makes your iPhone 6 a much better device from protection standpoint, and also from usability with these wings, and how you're going to be able to use this as a kickstand and prop this up and consume media in a much easier way on your iPhone 6. So we'll be right back, guys. Stay tuned. Alright guys, I just wanted to do a quick show. We've got this pried apart. As you can see, it is the two parts. This is the front case with the little screen protector on it. Now, I don't know if I'm a huge fan of these like built-in little plastic screen protectors, because they just seem to not want to clean real good, and they have fingerprints on the inside. So once you get it installed, the fingerprints are there. If you don't get it wiped off really, really good. And they just don't wipe off all that good, I don't think. But we're trying our best there. So the easiest way to install these types is just to put the phone in the front facing piece here, and then just insert this into the hard protective shell here. You want to make sure you do it correctly. Line up the buttons and the camera and make sure everything is in there as it should be, and then it just pops right into place. And like I said, this is a lot like an OtterBox, the Defender series, stuff like that. This little rubber just comes up over this lip. Got to get it all the way around. There we go. Maybe a little up top there. There we go. Alright, so we've installed the Destek case, the wing, and so you can see all the ports look really nice. Kind of a deep headphone jack there. I think it would work. Let's see. Let's just test it out. Yep, still works good. So it does actually... it is really kind of loose, so that might be a little bit of a problem with this. Your headphone jack may not fit real well. This is on as good as it gets. It does go in here, but it does come out so easy, so this might be a little bit of a problem if you're a 3.5mm headphone jack kind of guy and not Bluetooth. But charge port, let's go ahead and do the charge port testing here just to make sure. I do have one of those third-party lightning cables here, and we can see if these actually fit. Well, I guess maybe I don't. But I did have a little lightning cable laying here, but I do not, so I can't test that third-party cable. But it does add a little bit of a recess to the charge port as well. Now your speakers are down here. Everything else functions very nicely. The volume, everything. I can get to the silencer, and everything looks like it lines up really good. So I think the main concern there might be third-party charges. There's enough of a gap here, but I think that one's not going to be a problem. But headphone jack definitely is going to be a little bit constraining there. Camera's fine. Now, why the wing? Well, you can do multiple things with this. So you can see this acts as a little prop, and you can get it to go multiple angles. Let's try the other side. So we can do it like that. Or if you want to flip them both out, go landscape, portrait, like so. So a lot of little perks with this on giving you some angled viewing. Acts as a nice little kickstand. I do like that a lot. A lot of times I want to view, boy, look at the fingerprints. And again, that's the thing. How much of this is on the outside versus the inside on these? And you could probably rip this little plastic screen cover off if you wanted to get your own tempered glass or something else, and put it on your screen and just take this little plastic thing out of this front of the case. But you know, for the most part, yeah, it didn't clean up. It cleaned up pretty good, so not too bad. So protection-wise, a lot of protection. You can see each corner has a nice little bevel, an extra layer of rubber plastic, so that is definitely going to protect your phone. Now, I don't think if you're going to drop it and it lands face first like that, it's going to probably not protect your phone as much. That's going to be a vulnerability, and it is just a plastic screen cover, so it's not like it's tempered glass or anything like that. Overall, definitely a cool case. It does add some bulk to your phone, but you're going to expect that with kind of a protective Defender series outdoor kind of protective case. So, you know, that is to be expected. Overall, though, this is definitely a good case. I think I'm going to rock it for about a week just to test it out. If I have any updates with it, I'll leave it in the show notes. But overall, this is a very nice protective case. And it is stylish, and I like the wing design. This is something different that you don't see every day. And this will allow me to actually just prop my phone up and watch some video. And I have been doing a lot more Netflix, so currently watching the Breaking Bad series on Netflix. This is going to come in perfect for it. So if you're interested in this case, guys, check the links for show notes for a link, and I will have it there. You can pick this up on Amazon, and it is affordable by a long shot. Did not cost me hardly anything at all. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, subscription to the channel, feel free to share the video, and give Destek a check out. They're cool. They've got other cases too if you want to look at their lineup, and I'll have a link to their actual website in the show notes as well, so you can check them out. So as always, guys, thanks for watching, and have a good one.